Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today we are going to start our topic
Good
time
morning, ma'am.
duration. Yes, good morning. Today
Good
we are
morning.
going to start our topic time duration. This topic is related with our chapter number 3, trip to Bhopal. This is related with time, but this is only one topic related with time. The other topics in detail related with other topics in detail related with time we will learn in our next class. So, what is time duration? I will tell you first. Time duration is the time taken between the beginning and the end of an activity. So, what do you understand by this? The beginning and the end. So, first, let's take an example. You go to the evening for playing. You went at 6:30 and came back after playing. So, start time here is 6:30. Start time here is 6:30. This is the starting time. And your mother told me, come back soon. So you came back at 8 o'clock. This is 6:30 p.m. in the evening. This is 8 o'clock p.m. This is the end time. Means you came back at 8 o'clock. So the time between starting time and the ending time, this is called the time duration. So what is the duration of your time? After you start at 6:30 and at 8 o'clock. So this I will explain you with the number line.
Ma'am, we have to write.
My dear, as I said in the beginning also, you are not going to write anything. All notes and all worksheets will be sent to you on the classroom.
Okay, ma'am.
So, as I said, you started playing at 6:30 and you came back at 8 o'clock. So, this is the duration. This is called the duration of the time. So, how to calculate? From 6:30 you started. Now, 6:30 to the hour 7 o'clock is the 30 minutes gap. So, from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock is the, we have to take this gap to the hours. So, from 6:30 to 7:30, we'll take 30
Ma'am, we have
minutes.
to write.
Ma'am, Karnav has a doubt.
Yes, Karna.
Karnav, what happened?
Karna, yes, tell me.
Karnav, what happened? Why were you raising your hand?
Ma'am, for answer.
For answer. Okay, let me
Yeah,
first
raise your
explain it. I will give you time for answering also.
Renu ma'am, sorry for the interruption.
Yes.
Arna Agarwal, Dhairya Shah, Dhruv Patel, Jishna Swami, Migdat Motiwala, Nishika Choksi, Samriddhi, Sia, Vansh Balchandani, Khush Ahuja, Lamha Shah, all these, why aren't your cameras on? Jahan Agarwal, cameras on. Yug Baria, Catherine ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
do you have the rights to remove these children?
Yes, ma'am.
If they're not putting their cameras on, please start removing them. Just give them one more warning. After that, we'll start removing the children.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
I put their camera on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my camera is on.
Yes, ma'am.
My camera is on.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Your camera is on.
Catherine,
Just switch off your mic.
Catherine, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's Migdad's mother. The camera is not working on this laptop, so there's some issue.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I have seen
Okay,
your message.
ma'am.
It's okay. It's okay. But I.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, carry on, ma'am. Carry on, Renu.
Thank you, ma'am. So from 6:30 to 7 o'clock, 30 minutes, and from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, 1 hour. So 30 plus 1 hour. So how much is the time duration from starting time till the ending time for this activity? When you went to play, how much time you have taken to play? So it is 1 hour, 30 minutes. Am I right or wrong? Please write in the chat box your answer. Yes, Ashvi, 1 hour, 30 minutes. This is the way we calculate the time duration. Let us understand with some more examples. I will write the question here. Mr. Sharma goes for walking.
Ma'am, I cannot see your face.
You see the board first. Mr. Sharma.
Farzan, can you see the board? Farzan, can you see the board? Farzan, are you there?
Mr. Sharma goes for walking every morning at 6:30 a.m. Why I am writing a.m. here? Because they are talking about the morning. And comes back home at 7:15 a.m. So how long does Mr. Sharma walk? We have to calculate what here. Please write in the chat box. What we have to calculate here. Mr. Sharma goes for walking every morning at 6:30 a.m. and comes back at 7:15 a.m. How long does Mr. Sharma walk? What I have to calculate here, please write in the chat box. I'm not asking how much time it has taken. I'm asking what we have to calculate. What are we doing? Time duration. My dear children, we have to calculate here the time duration, how much time Mr. Sharma has taken to walk from 6:30 to 7:15. So, I'm going to erase it, this question, and I will explain you the answer now, how to solve this. So, in this question, the starting time was 6:30 and the ending time was 7:15. Both are in AM. When you calculate the time duration, please pay more attention on this AM and PM also. 6:30 AM and the ending time is 7:15 AM. So from 6:30 to 7 o'clock, it is 30 minutes. And from 7 o'clock to 7:15, it is 15 minutes. So when you add 30 minutes plus 15 minutes, total 45 minutes. This way we calculate the time duration. Let us see with few more examples. Gautam is a boy, leaves home for school And at what time he left his home? At 7:30 a.m. and comes back at 3:15 p.m. How much time does he spend outside the home? His school timings are also same like your school timings. He left at his home at 7:30 a.m. and he comes back at 3:15 p.m. So let us see how to calculate the time duration for this. His starting time is 7:30 a.m. and he comes back at 3:15 p.m. Please pay more attention here. I have written a.m., p.m. So now again I will explain you with the number line. From 7:30 to 8 o'clock is 30 minutes. 8 to 9, it is 1 hour. 9 to 10, again 1 hour. 10 to 11, 1 hour. 11 to 12, 1 hour. So if I don't have a space, I am writing here, I will write 12 to 12 again, and 12 to 1, 1 hour. 1 to 2, 1 hour. And 2 to 3, 1 hour. And 3 to 3:15, 15 minutes. So now we will calculate
7 hours and 15 minutes.
we will calculate our timings here. So first we will add 1 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hours, 30 minutes, and these 15 minutes. So 30 plus 15, 45. So 7 hours, 45 minutes he spent outside the home during his time duration from school to home. Yes, very good children. Prisha, Jahan. This way we have calculated our time duration. I hope you all are clear with your today's topic, which is time duration. Now open your books. Open your maths books from the first page of your chapter number 3. Everyone open their
Ma'am, which book?
math book. Math magic. Textbook.
Maths magic.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Textbook.
Thank you.
Open chapter number 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
Open chapter number 3, page number chapter number 3, and first page of the chapter number 3. Can you all see my screen? Catherine ma'am, this is visible?
Ma'am, please do the screen big.
Now?
Now it is okay.
Okay. So on the first page,
Trip to Bhopal. Which page number? A trip to
Switch
Bhopal.
off your mic, Man Rajodia.
on page first of your chapter number 3, there are number of children are given 33, 32, 42, 50, 53. First, please write the answers in your textbook with the pencils. First, you have to add how many children are going to the trip. From grade 1, 33 children are going. From grade 2, 32
Ma'am?
children are going. Yes.
Which page number?
It is the first page of your chapter number 3.
Chapter number 3.
First, open the chapter number 3. Yes,
Ma'am,
you
do
have
we
to
have
write.
to write page number?
Yes.
Ma'am, do we have to write?
Yes, you have to write in the textbook with the pencil.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Wait, dear, I will tell you.
23. Ma'am, what we have to 23.
Page number 23,
Thank you.
everyone please open.
Page number 23.
In this, there is a table given. Can you see the table in your book also?
Yes. Yes.
In that table, it is given that from grade 1,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
33, you also people go to the trip also, right? And some, the number of students in different class are different. So here also in grade 1, 33 children are going to the trip. Out of grade 2, 32 children are going for the trip. Grade 3, 42 children are going. Grade 4, 50 children are going. And grade 5, 53. So first of all, you need to add all these numbers and find the total. Do it fast. Children, start doing
112. Ma'am, I have found the answer.
33 plus 32 plus 42 plus 50 plus 53. What will be the total? It's written here on the screen also, and please do by your own also and check it.
Ma'am, I have to by my own.
210.
Ma'am, we have to show the method in the textbook. Ma'am, we have to write with pen or pencil.
You have to write with a pencil in your textbooks. Pen is supposed to be used only for notebooks. And this is applicable for all the subjects. Don't ask these kind of questions.
So
Okay.
the total is 210. Now,
ma'am,
yes.
we have to show the method in the textbook.
No. Direct answer.
Okay.
Then after doing the total of this, you got the number of students 210. In your book, there is one cloud beside this table is given. In that it is written, do we need 4 buses? One bus can make 50 children. 4 buses can make how many children? Can take how many children? So what you will write? Here also it's written, if they get 4 buses, each has 50 seats. How many children will get the seats? So,
Ma'am, 200.
here, so yes, very good. So here you will do 4 multiplied by 50. In your book, you have to show write 4, put multiplication sign, write 50. And after calculating the answer in your notebook, write answer. 4 into 50 is 200. It means,
Ma'am,
yes,
we have to
yes,
we have to multiply in rough book or school book.
yes, you have to multiply in your school notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am. What
Yes.
is
Next is, will there be any children left without seats? Will there any children without seats? Because as I told, there are 4 buses only and there are 50 seats. How many children will get the seats? So as you have written, 200 children will get the seats. And how many children are left, children?
Ma'am,
Yes.
please write in board.
Yes.
Please write in board.
I write on the board.
Yes.
Yeah, they want you to write on the board.
Okay, okay. No problem. My board is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, you have seen that 33, you have done the total of 33 plus 32 plus 42. Catherine, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Renu, ma'am, we cannot hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can't hear you. Yes,
Wait,
ma'am.
she'll be back. Wait. Children, understand
Yes,
that
ma'am, we
today
can't hear you.
it's quiet. Just understand that today it's a rainy day, no? So we might have connectivity problems. Yes, network
Okay.
problems.
So now it's visible everything?
On your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Kind
Yes,
of switch off your
Yes,
mic.
ma'am.
33
Well,
plus
what?
32 plus
Yes.
42 plus 50 plus 53. So this you all have done, right? 210. And there is one more cloud. As I said, it's written 4 buses, 50 children. So how many children will get the seat? 4 into 50 equals to 200 students will get the seat. And the total number of students were 210. So how many left without the seat? Can anyone write in the chat box, please? Children, start writing. How many children will not get the seat?
Ma'am, 10.
Yes, very good. 10 children are left without the seat. So you all are done till here?
10, ma'am.
Yes. Now turn the page.
Ma'am, we have to write the answer in the front of will there be any children left without seats?
Yes. You have to write this in detail. 10
Yes, ma'am.
children without seat. Now turn the page. In the last line is given each minibus can take 35 students. How many minibuses are needed? Each minibus carrying 35 students. How many minibuses are needed? The total number of students are 210 and each bus will carry 35 students. So divide this and get the answer and tell me what will be the answer. How many minibuses are required? Very good, Yugbaria. Excellent. Please write the answer in the chat box. Yes, Nishika. Vihan. Very good, Ashvi. Please write the answer in the chat box. Yes, many of you have done this also. So please. Yes, the answer is 6 minibuses are required. 6 minibuses are required to take 35 students in each bus. So the 210 will come. So all the 210 students will come in 6 mini buses. Now, see the next page, page number 23. Now I am going to present my screen. We'll explain you page number 25.
All of you take out page number 25 of your maths textbook.
Ma'am, where
Till
we
here,
have to
this is
write
done. This is done. The slide which I am showing here, this done. Everyone's note textbook. The answers are done, children. I hope you all have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now the journey begins.
Ma'am,
Now,
Who's talking in
6
between?
minutes. Buses.
page number 25. Buses started at 9 o'clock.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
ma'am, actually, I have come to my nanny house and I don't have my books.
It's okay, but I'm presenting my screen also, no? So you can understand it.
4th chapter, tick, tick, tick.
This is third
Switch off
chapter.
your mic. Vedi, switch off your mic. Vedi. You're not supposed to switch it on without ma'am asking you to do so.
On
Okay.
page number 25, it's written about at what time they left. So buses started at 9 o'clock. If they don't stop anywhere, they can. Okay. Now, buses started at 9 o'clock. If they don't stop
25.
anywhere, they
Ma'am, I
all can
cannot
reach.
see the screen.
You go to my, there are 2 Renu ma'ams in your people's column. Go to my present screen column and click on the pin. Buses started at 9 o'clock. If they don't stop anywhere, they all can reach there in 2 hours. That is around what time they reach. As we have done that after 2 hours, what will be the timing after 9 o'clock?
Ma'am, 9, 10, 11. 2
Very good. So
11.
they will reach at around 11 o'clock. Now, travel distance is 70 kilometer. One stop at Bhimbetkar, which is 50 kilometer from here. If they go to Bhimbetkar, they will reach there before 10 o'clock. Between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Now, turn the page about the Narmada River. This bridge is 756.82 meter long, 500 meter wide. This all information is given in your textbook. You can read from the textbook. You can see on the page number 26, Miss Asha. Look, it is written. This bridge is 756.82 meters long. So we can guess that the Narmad must be about 500 meters wide in this place.
Ma'am, page number?
26. So the water level 40 meters below the bridge. Water level at rainy season is 15 meters below the bridge. This all information is given in your textbook. Now, calculation part comes now, which is on your page number 27. Now, when you go to the trip, what the bus driver does? Before going to the trip, what he does? He fill his
Petrol.
yes, bus with the petrol.
Ma'am,
So-
not diesel. Just take diesel.
No,
No.
petrol.
Petrol.
Some diesel also, yes.
Petrol.
So for that, he has to pay money. On page number 27, it is given that, so we have to pay 3,500 rupees for the diesel. Some put the diesel also, some put the petrol also. In some buses, in some trucks, in some cars, in some scooters, we put petrol also, we put diesel also. Now, come to the next. Each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill and there are 2 buses to be filled. So, how many minutes it will take? So, there are...
100.
No, my dear. There are 2 blanks given on page number 20.
30.
Yes. There are 2 blanks given on page number 27. Each bus takes 15 minutes to refill and there are 2 buses to be filled. So they stop there about how many minutes they will stop there for to refill it? 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yes. Which means they are late by about 30 minutes now. Now let's see how they cover their time. Now comes to the petrol. Look at the picture and find the cost of 1 liter diesel. See children, in this chapter, have you observed one thing that we are doing division, we are doing multiplication, we are doing addition, which we have already done, means arithmetic operations, which we have already done. So now 3,500. So we have to pay 3,500 rupees for the diesel. Look at the picture and find the cost of 1 liter. So 3,500 will be divided by 100 and will get rupees 35 for per liter.
Man, 35 liter.
Yes, 35 rupees for per liter. Now come to the next. Yes, we have done till here page number 27. Tomorrow we will do the other pages from 28. So please everyone, those who were not having the books today, will definitely have the books in tomorrow's class. Because we already done with the mathematics operations, we have done the time duration also, we have done with the menu chart. Now few of the topics are left from our textbook, which we are covering today and tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, I am going to take your CET related with this chapter. No, Ekansh, you are still in class. Our class timings are from 11 to 11:40. So we cannot leave the class in between. So, on Wednesday, tomorrow, still there are few topics which are left in the textbook. We are going to do it, discuss it tomorrow. And on Wednesday, I'm going to take CET. Please be ready on Wednesday with your separate notebooks. So, till here we have done. I'm going to send you the time duration worksheets today and the topic from the book which we have covered. Hope you all understood today's topic. Thank you, children. So, bye-bye to all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.